Welcome back to the garden. This is an evening shot of some of the lights that are in our garden.
Oh, well, this is quite a light show right here in our own backyard.
A lot of scopic psychedelic garden.
And there is our water fountain.
There's the bird back there. See?
Well, let's look over here at the bird bath. I don't think we'll be able to see the bird bath in the dark, though, honey.
Mm.
Yes, we can. There's the bird bath.
Oh, look. Oh, no.
Isn't that wonderful?
Yeah.
Yes, what I'm trying to show you is this beautiful light show that we have every night. That's 3 color wheels. Well, not wheels. That's old-fashioned terms. And that's our little cat wanting to go inside. I just wanted somebody to see this and share it with us.